Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. If you're a newbie here, you're welcome. This is Meeday. I know it's been forever. I mean, the last video I posted up, well, before this, my NYSC vlog that went up was over a year ago, and yeah, it's been a lot of stuff. So I'm sorry I went MIA. I hope I don't go MIA again. Today we'll be talking about checklist, your NYSC checklist. If this is something you'd like to watch, stay around till the end of the video.
Spider, bash on the beat. Oh no, no. You be the brush, I be the paste. You be judge and I be case. You be treble, I be bass. Baby go now at the days. Said I be searching for a babe. You be my shoe, I be the lace. All of that girls see that be fake. I got you all of my day, follow me, call on my day. No mind waiting I say, oh, am I one way late? You want to come between us, baby, them go fail. Yeah, what they be, I go demonstrate. Baby.
Yeah, so guys, welcome back. I have a list. I wrote everything. It's like how many pages? Yeah, excuse my barrier, I'm sorry. But yeah, I have a list of things I took to camp. I wasn't able to make a video when I was leaving or before I left, so I could like do a show and tell like people normally do on YouTube here, because challenges I didn't even remember to make videos. Anywho, we'll start from the main things. Without these things, if you go to camp sorry, they'll send you back. So the first thing is your school ID card, your university ID card, or your photo card, your statement of results showing I saw somewhere today that it said if you do not have the date of graduation, that is the day, the month and the year, it's considered incomplete, and with that you won't be able to get into camp. So yeah, your statement of results that has the date, the month, the year. Then the green card, you print your green card, your call-up letter, all those from your NYSC, what's it called, from the website. Once you register, you print that out. Then medical certificates, that certificate of fitness rather. Also, you print the COVID-19 registration slip. Yeah. Then your passport photograph. Please, I am not even exaggerating, you need like 25 billion passports for that shit. Just at least get 8 to 16 passports, because you need 2 here, 1 year. I don't know, it might have changed when you're going, but as of when I went to camp, I think I exhausted the 8 I took with me. So yeah, about documents, that's about it. I'm just putting a file. Yeah. Then next up, your needs, that will be white round neck t-shirts. I would advise 3, a pack of 3, that should be fine. White shorts as well, because you would also get 2 shirts and 2 shorts from NYC when you get to the camp to give you that. You need white trainers. I would advise you bring rubber trainers. I'll see if I can attach a picture somewhere. I'll see, I'm not promising. So white trainers, you need underwears. Just bring color compliant underwears. Let me just go there. Some people brought beer. They brought what's the word, all these bear prints, polka dots. It is going to show under your white underwear. Even if it's black and white, it will show. If it's, I think green doesn't show, you can take green, you can take maybe navy blue, but any color aside that, it gonna show. Then yeah, you need white socks, you need water bottle. Water bottle is not compulsory, but then you need it. It might be hot, and I don't know, you just need water bottle. You need ID card holder. You can always get that in camp. When you get to camp, you can always get it. I think it's like 500, or I can't remember. But then, or if you have your ID card from uni, you can always use the card holder. Saves you a lot of money. You need you need treated mosquito net. That thing in Ogu, they scammed us. Use nets, they were selling it for 1,000 naira. So you need to get your treated net, wash it at home and all of that, then bring it with you. Then you need touch lights. The lights go out at 10:30. So if you're not done for the day, you need touch lights. You need power banks. Please and please take at least 20,000 mAh strength or whatever it's called of power bank, or you can even take 2. I suffered that thing. I took 20 kmAh, but it was a long story. My power bank messed me up. So you need power banks because there are no extensions or sockets in the room, so you cannot charge. Then you need padlock for your stuff. You need hand sanitizer if you're a germaphobe. You just need hand sanitizer. There's COVID everywhere. Bathroom slippers. You need PJs to sleep in. You need bed sheet, pillowcases, and they don't give pillows. So if you want, you come with your pillow. You can always bring like a small because I took, what's this thing called, throw pillows we have in our living room or whatever. You can just take a throw pillow. Yeah. Then your fanny pack, that one is essential because you're not allowed to put anything in your pockets because of marching and all of that stuff during parade. So just put all your items in your fanny pack and you put it on your body. Then cardigan, it depends. I don't know wherever they'll post anybody to, but when I went to camp, we had cold mornings, we had hot afternoons, so we always needed cardigans. Then you need marker, permanent marker to write on all your stuff. I mean, people wrote on impossible places here, their caps, because you just want to safeguard your things. I wrote on the inside of something like this. I just wrote my state code number, like the last 4 digits of my my state code number on most of my stuff, my shorts, my shirts, everything. You need hangers for when you wash your clothes to hang them, because when you people get there, I really can't explain everything, but yeah, you need hangers, you need pegs as well, you need soap to wash your plates, you need what's this thing called, soap and sponge to wash your plates. You take washing soap along with you as well. You take, just as if you're going to a new place, because obviously as if you're going to live in a new place, but just for 3 weeks. I took everything. My box was almost as tall as I am, so yeah. So next we have toiletries. For toiletries, your bathing soap, your toothpaste, toothbrush, your sponge. This is the most important thing, aside the last thing I'm going to share later on. Deodorants. Take body spray, take deodorant, take body mist, take perfume. I mean, you people should pity us. There are some people that for the life of, they don't care about their fellow humans. You can't be coming out at 4 a.m. in the morning and you be reeking of the previous day's sweat, even if you're not going to shower. I mean, just help us. So please don't just take body spray. Help. Even if you're not a fan of scents and all of that, just take something that would help you smell fresh. You get? So yeah, take body cream. For the ladies, your pads, your tampons, your panty liners, and all of that. Yeah, I already mentioned perfumes. You can take your wipes, your antiseptic liquid, your towel, basically your body care products or things, or just take everything. It's better for you to take things and not use them than get there and be in need, because some things might either be double or triple the price, or you might not even find them. So yeah, after your toiletries, you need your Bible, the Quran, your blanket, that blanket. I took a duvet instead, and I used it as a layering for my bed. So after the bed, because the beds were really flat, like super flat. So I laid the duvet on it. I doubled it and laid it on it before I used my bedspread. Even still, it was still, because anytime I slept, I always felt the lines of the bunk on my body. So I don't know, you can always find your way around it. Then pillows. I think I already spoke about pillows earlier. Cutlery, bowls, cups, spoons, everything, because the kitchen is not going to provide you eating utensils or whatever. You're just taking your coolers or your bowls there, and they'll put your food in it. So you have to take that with you as well. And if you're not even going to eat from the kitchen, you need to take these things with you, because if you want to like make your cereal and all of that good stuff. So yeah, you need insecticides, you need buckets and bowl. Then the last but not the least, the most important, like money. money could go, God go. You need money. Like, it's a lot of stuff you're going to use money for, photocopy. Please, you even need money, because if you can't eat camp food, if you're not going to eat camp food like I didn't, you're going to buy chow, and chow is expensive. Even if it's not expensive, you're going to feed for at least 3 times a day for 21 days. It's in 20 days basically. So yeah, outside that, for your medications, for people that already have medications they're on, just come with your meds. Worst case scenario, they'll ask you to drop it at the medical center and then you'd go back for it. I was able to take mine in. It wasn't really something serious. They were over the counter meds, so I think they allowed me to take mine in. Or probably the person that just searched me didn't have too much trouble. So I took paracetamol, I took flagyl, I took Gestid, I took my allergy meds, I took Rob. No, I took Abuniki. Rob doesn't cut that shit. The cold we had in Ogo camp was too cold, because maybe my hostel, the room, I'll probably make another video to explain things I like and didn't like. I'll talk about the situation of the room there. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, the list of underrated items. I know people might not think of it as anything, but to me it's a big deal. Deodorant, I mentioned it earlier. Please smell nice. You don't want to be smelling like hot pepper. Then mouth spray. Take your mouth sprays, people of God. It's just like 500 naira or something. Buy mouth spray. Don't say, oh, I brushed and all of that. You cannot go into chai girl and be smelling like ogu rice and stew. I'm sorry. So take mouth sprays, take your lip balm. We don't want no ashy dry lips out here. Yeah, so yeah, you need sunshades, you need sunglasses, are so essential. I mean, they saved me morning and afternoon. I think the only time I didn't use them, few times said that I didn't use them at night, but morning and afternoon, major key, because after the morning drills and everything, we had to go for morning lectures. I just knock my shades, use my nose mask, pull my face cap down. Yours truly, Sleeping Beauty. I don't go free game. I don't give you people free game. So if you're going to camp, enjoy with that. Then yeah, face mask, then AirPods. I don't know, you can take your earphones, but most times when they see your earphones, they seize them. Once they see the cord and all of that, they seize it. But your AirPods can always be discreetly placed in. So yeah, that's it. And for things I didn't use extension. I didn't know I took my extension, so it wasn't needed. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I already went through the list of everything I took. So yes, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying tuned till now. If you did, you are the realest. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your friends, your family. I mean, give it a thumbs up so people would see my video. We need to get to 1K pretty soon, pretty please. So yeah, thanks guys. Ciao.